This 2016 Volkswagen Jetta Sedan is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Jetta with technology 1.4L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, fog lamps, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, gray metallic exterior, gray interior, under VW factory warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2016 VW Jetta with technology is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.